All right, guys. So today we're gonna be marking up GBPUSD to see what it's looking like for the week. So when I mark up, I first start on the monthly time frame to get an idea of like what's going on. So right here we can see that there is not much movement like within the last 3 month period. It's been kind of sort of in a range, but if we look like further back, like the overall theme, we can see that it's coming off a push right here, and then a slight pullback at resistance, not resistance, support, not resistance. So we know it's at monthly resistance zone, and we haven't had much movement within the last 3 months. Okay, so now we can kind of go down to the daily. We just want to note and mark the zone that we're in. The high, get it right here. Double top right here. Just stretch it across so we can know where our resistance zone is. We just want to draw support and resistance on the daily time frame so we can get an idea of like the range that it's been moving in. So we can see in the last few days or weeks, it's been just in this range, consolidating in this range right here. So we just want to take note of that. Price F came down, respected this zone, go up, respected this zone, made a double top, drop here, made a double bottom, and then now we're back at pretty much back at resistance, or it's pushing towards resistance. So we just want to keep track of all that. So it's not quite at resistance yet. And so far, it's coming off a daily support, but it's not quite at the resistance zone yet from the last double top that we had based on the daily. So we could kind of see, we just want to find the structure basically. So when we look at it, we can see a low. Let me put a cap locks. We can see a low right here and make this red or black. We can see a low, and then we can see a higher high, and then we can see a higher low right here. Higher low, and then higher high again right here. Higher low. So we're just keeping track of structure. We can see that the structure is bullish up to the so we know right here this is our daily resistance. So we know we want to follow the trend up to it gets to the resistance zone, so we can see like what's going to be the next move that it does. So we just want to just note all the higher lows, higher highs, just so we can have a sense of idea of like direction. So throughout all this, it came back to this low, but it never broke it. So we can see that the structure still stayed the same because it never broke the structure. So we have a higher low, and then right here we have a high, higher high. This is their most recent higher high. So now from there, you can see that it has potential to retrace up until 100%. So you want to just go ahead and pull out your fibs. I have to redo my fibs, but I look at my key points, my 38, 78, my 61.8, and my 88.6. Those are the key levels that I look for retracement. So when you're at the 4 hours, you know that it's currently going on a bullish run up to that resistance zone. So then you want to just pull out your fibs since it's currently retracing. So what you're looking for now is you're looking for price to go to one of your key levels on the fibs. That could be the 38, the 61.8, the 78, and then the 88 up to 100%. Unless it breaks this zone right here, the price is still technically going on that uptrend until it breaks this point right here. So I'm bullish up until it breaks this point right here. So it's not exactly that you're looking to get in a buy currently, but you're looking, the overall move is most likely bullish. So this right here, we could kind of see some support and resistance right here. Touch on the bottom, touch on top. So, and it's at the 38 level. So when it gets to around this zone, you could kind of start looking to see if it's ready to make that push up or if it want to continue dropping to a lower support and resistance zone. We have another support and resistance zone right here, this area. That's around the 78% on the fibs. Let's see if we have any more. We have some right here. So when you're using your support and resistance zones, you could kind of like use that as confluence as well to see how it reacts on your fib levels. So if you see it's reacting to a fib level and that zone is also a support and resistance, that doubles your confirmation on like, that helps you make your decision on it, whether you think it's a good idea to enter or not. Yeah, so pretty much now we just gotta wait until it drops to one of our key levels. I'm hoping maybe around this zone. You gotta see how it reacts. If it then from that point on, I'll be dropping down to the lower time frames. I like to get my entries from the 30 minutes all the way up to the 1 minute. So this is what I'll be currently be waiting for right now. Minor break. So it's gonna keep pushing down for a little bit up until it finds support. So that's what we're waiting for it to find a support on one of our fib levels for the move up. So this is what I have marked up right now as far as the overall trend for GU. Still never broke structure. So we're gonna do an update video later out this week to see how it plays out.